Hello friends, welcome back to my new video, and today I will tell you how to do a halo eye makeup. Obviously if you are a beginner, you might be thinking it's very difficult to do, it's not an easy eye makeup, but trust me, all it's need only a practice. If you practice it properly, you can do it very easily. So let's see how to do it. But before moving further, please subscribe to my channel and press thumbs up, and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my video. So let's see. As you can see here, I had done my base, even the eyebrow also. So I will start from highlighting my eyebrows. If you want to know how to do the eyebrows, then you can check my other videos, that is eyebrow tutorial. The link is on the description. So let's start from highlighting our eyebrows. For highlighting, I will use this Smashbox palette. From here I will use this shimmery color, this one, for highlighting my eyebrows with this small flat brush. For highlighting our eyebrows, we should always start from our brow bone. This is our brow bone. From here till the end. And you can see the difference. After that I will use the same palette, and from there I will use this color for my crease area. This is our crease, the area which go inside. And here I will apply this color like this in a windshield motion. It have to go inside, all over inside, and it have to come out. Now you can see the difference in my crease. After this, I will take this Huda palette, and from here I will take this dark green shade with this kind of pointed brush, and I will apply this dark green shade on my inner corner and my outer corner. I will leave the middle. First just I will dab it, and then I will blend. Now you can see it, I had left the middle area. Here I will apply some other color, but before that I will clean it with the concealer. With my concealer brush. In this area I will just apply the concealer, and I will clean all the extra colors so that I can apply my color easily, and my color will pop up. I will dab it with my finger, and then I will lock it with any compact, so that whatever color I will apply in the middle, it will get a nice base, just like this. And now again I will take my Huda palette, and from here I will take this golden shimmery color. Apply this with my finger, just like this. We have to apply this only where we have applied the concealer, not at the top of green, because anyhow at the end we are going to blend it. Blending is very important in all makeup, whether it is eye makeup, skin makeup. Now from the same palette I will use this light green color, and I will blend my edges here, so that there should not be any harsh line. And now I will use my eyeliner. And now the mascara time. And after kajal, I will take this same palette with this kind of flat brush, and I will apply all the color, whatever I had applied on the upper lid, I will apply all the color on my under eyes, like this. First I will take this green color, And whatever fall off you are having on your skin, you just take your powder brush and clean it off. Like this. I will apply on the other eye also. And then I will take the same golden shade and I will apply this on my inner corner with this kind of pointed brush. Highlighting your inner corner is very important because when you highlight your inner corner, your eyes will just open up. You can see the difference, this eye and this eye. And then with the same flat brush, you blend it. And you're done. So friends, here's my final look. This is the halo eye. You can mix and match any color, but blending is very important. So, see you on next video. Subscribe to my channel, press thumbs up and don't forget to press that bell icon. See you on next video. Bye bye.